What's up with y'all, man? Monday night, Monday evening. Hope y'all had a good day at work. Hope y'all had a good day at school. Hope y'all had a good day at the crib. Whatever you doing, man. We're back at it. I just made a video yesterday. Just made a video talking about the moves I'm expecting for the week. Talking about all the moves that I'm looking forward to taking advantage of. Talking about potential bread, money, opportunities that we're gonna catch this week. Those same moves I was talking about yesterday. Those very same moves already happened. I lied to you not. I lied to you not. Dang, man. I just felt a rush of energy of just feeling like a bum. You know? I'm looking over my habit tracker. Nothing at all. Nothing is crossed out. Nothing done. Let's just get into it, man. Whoa, where I go. Okay. So, first pair. UJ, let's go to the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. UJ, as you can see, made a huge run to the downside. Something that I was looking at prior to going to work, and I looked at it after getting out of work, and I just like, damn, what can I do? What can I say? I can't say or do anything. The move already happened. Up here yesterday, I was talking about how we have an area support, area resistance, waiting for either a breakout to the downside, or if it does continue to the bullish side of things, it will break above this area of resistance. Pull back like this, and then like a bearish, strong bearish candle. Bearish. I'm going bearish, man. But until then, we are bullish right now. Well, what it did was it did create a breakout down here. Let me go to the 30-minute time frame. You had a breakout right here, right? Excuse me, broke this area of support, but it didn't complete that bearish move. What did it do? Came back up here, and that's cool. That's cool. It's not a break of structure to the upside now just because it came all the way up here. This is what I mean. So we were initially bullish. Bullish means higher highs, higher lows, like that. So that's what we had: high highs, higher low, high highs, higher low, lower high goes lower than this high. Then we just started getting the same high because this is an area of resistance, an area of what they call liquidity. Struggling to break above, came down, broke these two previous lows because it's below it. Broke this area of support right here. Break of structure. So what did it do? It came back up. Typically we expect a lower high as a result of this lower low, but it's cool. We got equal highs. It didn't break above these previous highs, meaning that we're still bearish. Then what did it do? Broke beneath this low. That really just confirms that we're bearish. The optimal move here, in my opinion, is right here. This wick right here, this pullback, this is butter. That's your entry right there. My entry, at least, if I were to get in there. And then just a smooth sail down to the, oh my God. I don't know what that was, but dang, man. I don't know what to say. I'll just put that there. I don't know what to say. It was such a clean move, and it happened within a day. I did not expect it to happen this quickly. But that doesn't mean it's over. What I do expect is a pullback, and this is where I drew this yellow line a few minutes ago, somewhere up here. And why did I draw it here? Is because I came down, I think it was 2 hour or the 1 hour, I believe it was 2 hour. 1 hour also matches up, but the moving average falls within this area. Not only that, but we have our point A, point B, and Point C being around the 50%. Typically, I like to aim for the 61.8 and the 50, but I wouldn't be surprised if it stops here. If it does continue bullish, that's cool. That kind of aligns with these previous areas that price was at, and as well as that 61.8, also as well as here. So I mean, I'm looking for a pullback. So if you want to be that guy or girl, you get in on a counter trend trade, be my guest, man. But I'm just shocked by how quick this move happened. I like it though. UJ providing the moves. I know some dudes ate good today. Already, women, dudes, them, they, her, she, him. I ate real good today. I already know it. Not I, but like I. Like, you know, pronouns. He, her, they, them. So yeah, this is another thing. Gold. What do I want to say about gold? I was expecting this move to the upside. I drew this not too long ago. I was expecting this move to the upside, and I was looking at this earlier this morning as we were down here. I was just looking at it, just like, it'll be such an impulsive trade to just get in based off this. So yeah, let me just chill. But the move ended up playing out. I talked about this yesterday. I don't like trading pairs or trading situations or conditions where price is kind of in this zone, consolidation, if you want to call it. Yeah, it's consolidating within this entire range. It's ranging. I don't favor those market conditions. Look at the moving average. How does it look? It's sideways, basically, meaning that the market is pretty much in a standstill. It's not going up, it's not going down. It's within this dedicated range. I've had some troubling situations in cases like this, but I mean, I could have profited today if I got in. It is what it is. Trust me, I'm not tripping about gold. GU. Now this one is a move I think I anticipated as well. I talked about it yesterday. I'm pretty confident that we'll break to the upside. We would just need a higher low like this, and for it to come up here, break both of these highs, come down here, and to continue. I mean, shoot, yo, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I don't want to call myself a market wizard, but I'm a market wizard. I mean, peep the fit. I low-key look like this dude. Hold on. I low-key look like this dude. Come on, bro. Come on. I low-key look like this dude right now. Without the beard, of course, but like, is he a wizard? Yeah, he's a wizard. He's a wizard. Keep thinking I'm playing. You see this? Yesterday. Let me stop tooting my own cheeks. But yeah, it's clean. And you guys can capitalize on this too. It's the same stuff over and over again. I'm gonna keep saying it. Same stuff, same principles, different pair, different situation. It's the same stuff over and over and over and over again. And let me break it down to you. Okay? So first of all, on the daily. Bullish. Look at all these green candles, man. Look at all these green candles. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bulls. Okay? We're in the field with a bunch of bulls, right? Pullback. We love pullbacks. That means it's giving us an opportunity to get in. We're settling down, preparing for the entries. Came down here. Cool. Made a nice little move up here. First thing I noticed, coming back down here, higher low. Higher low. Ding, ding, ding. Bullish activity incoming. That's what we're seeing here. So to give you guys a little more clarity a little more of what's going on, I kind of go down to the smaller time frames just to get some more detail. Higher low. We also had an internal area of support. I say internal because it's on the smaller time frames. We don't really see it on a vast 4-hour daily time frame. This is something on the 2-hour, 1-hour time frame that we have to get more details in order to see. Right here we have an area of support. The floor, remember? The floor being respected, failing to break below. Also, look at the moving average. Up. Cool. Now at this specific time, which is why I drew this rectangle, we were pretty much ranging, not really going up, not really going down, ranging like I was saying before. Hence why the moving average shifted from up like this to sideways, more sideways like that, because of that decreased volume. So what did I see? We saw a counter trend line opportunity, something that I like to draw just to give me some insight on where we could potentially break out of. And I'm just waiting for that breakout. And now I'm just looking at it. It happens so beautifully and so well. I'm just like, I can't even touch it. It's too clean. Counter trend line, touch, touch, touch. What did it do after this touch? What was I talking about earlier? Higher freaking low. Higher low. Had a higher low right here. And what did we also receive? Bearish what? Exhaustion. Bearish exhaustion. Meaning that we had some bears in this market at that current time, but what did the bulls do? We said, we going back up. F y'all, we going back up. We going back up. We're not going down. We're going back up. And that's what it did. It took control, went to the upside. And I drew this because this would have been the optimal entry for me based off the volume of that bullish candle. I don't like when we have wick material on the top, especially if we're going bullish. I like a full green candle, bullish, not really in engulfing, but just a full volume candle in our desired direction, which is what we got here. So that would have been the optimal entry. Happened around 4 this morning, an hour before I woke up, which I still could have capitalized off this, but it is what it is, man. Honestly, it is what it is. I'm speechless. Ugly. GJ talked about this yesterday. I don't really trade GJ really anymore. Hold on. You know the second one was coming. But yeah, GJ still expecting this bearish move down to the moving average. Look as it's kind of gearing up for that slingshot to the upside. We about to release. We about to, shovel, getting down there, preparing for the little getting the dirt out, getting whatever we need out about to prepare for that bullish move. That's it. Got to go over Bitcoin, of course. 95,000. Crazy. Supposed to get in at 70. Supposed to get in at 75. Supposed to get in at 85. Opportunities after opportunities. What did I do? I waited, sat on my hands, which is never a bad thing per se, but at the same time, when the opportunity is goddamn present, you got to take it, which I didn't do, and now I'm kind of getting a case of FOMO. Is what it is. I'm not going to react off my emotions. Just going to wait. I'm always going to wait. There's always going to be a pullback at some point. It might not be now, may not be tomorrow, may not be next week, may not be next month, but it's going to come, and that's where I'm going to take advantage. It's been cool. But can I Oh, bad. Okay. Habit tracker. Um, it's Monday. So what do I have to do? I have to work out, do my training journal, have to read, have to do my reels, and I do a Spanish lesson. Have I done any of those? No, I haven't. Um, but I'm in the process of doing it. I'm making a video. Y'all see me. And as soon as I'm finished with this, I'm going to create this journal, make a journal, new journal, daily journal for today. I'm not gonna lie. Today might not be a workout day. I'm not gonna lie. Full transparent. I'm 95% not gonna work out today. Meaning that I'm not gonna work out today, and I'm making that conscious decision because I gotta. I'm just going to focus on this. Honest, I'm being completely honest. Just this trading content, reading, and then journaling. Not only this trading journal, but my personal journal. I've been struggling to set aside a time to really do that. I'm gonna do it today. Spanish, questionable. It won't get done if I'm just sitting here yapping. So yeah, do what you gotta do. Don't waste time just looking at me and looking at what I need to do and how I'm gonna improve my life. You gotta do it too. So yeah, appreciate you for watching, man. Back to back trading breakdowns. Yeah, hope y'all F with the content, with the value, and all of that stuff. Catch y'all in the next video.